If you're getting this error when trying to download a file on Google Chrome, then watch this video because it will show you everything you need to know about getting this fixed. So what you need to do first is check your internet connection. So if you go down to the bottom right, here you can see your internet. If you click on your Wi-Fi icon, just make sure that you are connected to the correct network here. Make sure that the connection isn't interrupted and make sure it doesn't keep dropping and then coming back. Mine is secured, connected and steady. The next thing that you need to do is make sure that you're not on any VPNs. If you're on a VPN and it keeps cutting in and out, this could also be the issue. So close out of any VPNs. Then go to the Chrome browser, go to the three dots in the top right, and then go to settings. Here you want to go to downloads, and you can go ahead and then change your download location. If you don't have enough room on the current drive, it may be the reason why it isn't working. So if you go to this PC, you can choose a drive which has more room. For me, that is a local disk. Once you've changed the drive, you can then go ahead and try and download this again. If it still isn't downloaded, then it could be an issue with your firewall or your virus detection. Now, if you're confident that this file isn't a virus and you want to force it to be downloaded to your computer, go to search and type in Windows Security. Once you're here, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and then go to Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, and you can go ahead and turn this off. Now you can retry the download and it shouldn't give you any issues, provided you have a stable internet connection. If it still isn't working on Chrome with this turned off, I'd open up something like Microsoft Edge. And once you're in Edge, you can go ahead and try and download it again. If it works on Edge, it means it's a problem with Chrome, but the chances are most of those would fix your issue. Let me know in the comments which one did. Thank you for watching.